Hey, plant lovers, want to make gardening easier and more fun? Today I'm reviewing the 3-piece gardening hand toolkit, a perfect set for your home garden. With a trowel, cultivator, and transplanter, this $15 kit is a game changer. Let's find out why. Welcome to Smart Bloom, your go-to channel for the coolest gardening tools and gadgets. I'm here to help you grow smarter, whether you're in a tiny London flat or a sunny Sydney lawn. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Let's talk about this 3-piece gardening hand toolkit. For just $15, you get a hand trowel, a cultivator, and a transplanter, perfect for home gardening. Made with durable, rust-resistant iron, this set is ideal for flower pots, small lawns, or even transplanting seedlings in the USA or Europe. It's lightweight and perfectly sized for beginners. What makes this kit special? The trowel is great for digging and planting, the transplanter helps move seedlings with ease, and the cultivator loosens soil perfectly. Each tool has an ergonomic handle for a comfy grip, no hand strain. Plus, they're rust-resistant so they'll last for years even in humid climates like Canada. Here's why I love this kit. It's super affordable, just $15 for 3 tools. The ergonomic handles make gardening a breeze, even for long hours. Users say they're sturdy and perfect for small gardens or flower pots. It's a must-have for beginners in Australia or the EU who want to start gardening. But there are a couple of downsides. Some users say the tools might feel a bit small for larger gardens in the USA. They're best for flower pots or small spaces. Also, the iron might bend if you use too much force on hard soil. So, go gentle if you're working with tough ground. So, who's this kit for? It's perfect for beginners or urban gardeners in cities like Paris or New York who love small space gardening. If you've got flower pots, window boxes, or a tiny lawn, this kit will make your life easier. It's a fantastic starter set for anyone new to gardening. Ready to start your gardening journey? Grab this 3-piece gardening hand tool kit on Amazon for just $15, links in the description. Using my affiliate link supports Smart Bloom at no extra cost to you. Click now and get digging. What's your favorite gardening tool? Let me know in the comments. If this review helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Smart Bloom for more gardening gadget reviews. See you next week.